In today's financial world, your credit score is more than just a number, it's your gateway to opportunities. Whether you're applying for a mortgage, a car loan, or even a new job, your credit score can determine your financial freedom or hold you back. But here's the good news: building, repairing, and maximizing your credit score is within your control. This playbook is designed to give you actionable strategies to take charge of your credit, unlock financial opportunities, and make your money work smarter for you. Let's dive into the ultimate guide to credit success. Understanding the power of credit. Before we get into strategies, let's talk about why credit matters. Saving you thousands over time. Good credit makes it possible to finance these major milestones. 3. Financial security. Emergencies happen. 3. A strong credit profile ensures you have access to financial help when you need it most. Credit affects more than just loans. Step 1. Building credit from scratch. If you're starting with no credit history, don't worry, everyone begins somewhere. Use it for regular purchases and pay off the balance in full each month. Their positive credit history can give your score a boost. 3. Use a credit builder loan. These small loans are designed specifically to help you establish a credit history. 4. Pay all bills on time. Even utility and phone bills can contribute to your credit score if reported to the bureaus. Step 2. Repairing damaged credit. If your credit score has taken a hit, don't panic. It's never too late to turn things around. Equifax and TransUnion. Check for errors or fraudulent activity. File disputes for any inaccuracies you find. Some may agree to a payment plan or even remove negative marks in exchange for payment. Set up autopay or reminders to ensure you never miss another due date. Paying down balances quickly can improve your score dramatically. Step 3. Maximizing your credit score. Already have decent credit? Here's how to take it to the next level. 1. Increase your credit limits. Request higher limits on existing credit cards to lower your utilization ratio. Auto loans and mortgages. Don't close old accounts unless absolutely necessary. 4. Pay twice a month. Paying down your credit card balances twice a month can reduce the reported utilization rate. Your bank's credit monitoring service to track progress and catch potential issues early. Step 4. Avoiding common credit mistakes. Credit is powerful, but misuse can lead to financial headaches. Here are mistakes to avoid. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Pay in full whenever possible. Medical bills can end up on your credit report. 4. Closing accounts prematurely. Closing accounts reduces your available credit, which can hurt your utilization ratio. Step 5. Leveraging credit for wealth. Once you've mastered your credit, use it to build wealth. Travel points or other rewards. Pay off balances in full to reap the benefits without paying interest. 2. Invest in real estate. A strong credit score can help you secure favorable mortgage terms for investment properties. Loans to fund entrepreneurial ventures without risking personal finances. Or invest in profitable opportunities. Take charge of your financial future. Your credit score is one of the most powerful tools you have for achieving financial success. By building, repairing, and maximizing your credit, you're not just improving a number, you're creating opportunities for yourself and your family. The strategies in this playbook are your roadmap to credit mastery. Whether you're starting from scratch, rebuilding after setbacks, or striving for excellence, these steps will guide you toward a brighter financial future. Start implementing these strategies today, and watch your financial opportunities grow tomorrow. The power to take control of your credit is in your hands. Use it wisely.